How to add parallax scrolling to images on Wix. So as you can see right here, I have in here this particular image. So if you want to add parallax scrolling to that, you can just head over and click on that particular image. And then click on this icon right here, which is the animation icon. Once you have clicked on that, you can see in here the add animation for the entrance. But what we need to click on is this scroll option. Just click on this arrow right here in order to show the option. Now you can see in here the parallax. So in here, we just need to head over and click on that. And then it shall be applied to this particular image that you have. So when you scroll up, it will show up this particular animation. But take note that this animation will only show up when you head over and then preview it right. So let me head over and preview what it looks like right now. So here's the preview. So as you can see, when I scroll down, it will also attach to that and it will move as I scroll up or scroll down. So that's how you add parallax scrolling to images on Wix. Hope we helped.